The skate ribbon is one of the newest and coolest attractions in the Omaha area. It's downtown at Omaha's Heartland of America Park right along the riverfront, and it's only been open a few months. I took my drone down there a few days ago, and it was actually the last day that the ribbon was open before they transitioned from roller skating, rollerblading to ice skating. The ribbon should reopen shortly, and when it does, Omaha will have a brand new winter tradition. And the best part is it is free to use. Now, you will have to sign a waiver, and if you don't have your own skates, you can rent them. Usually it's about $5. If you haven't been down to the ribbon yet, add it to your calendars. It is a great atmosphere with music playing, and when it gets dark, they turn on the lights and you can skate under the stars. When you are downtown, make sure you check out some of the other new things there are to do. The Gene Leahy Mall is just a short walk away, and there'll be lots of activities at the mall this holiday, including the annual Holiday Lights Festival. You can also check out the Farnam Pier that overlooks the Missouri River. This has only been open for a few months and offers some incredible views. And finally, don't forget the Kiewit Luminarium and Lewis and Clark Landing. It's a short walk from the skate ribbon, and it's great for kids and adults. If someone tells you there's nothing to do in Omaha this winter, just make them watch this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe if you want to see more videos about the Omaha area.